I gotta get me a GoPro.
Yeah, you need to get a GoPro.
What?
Yeah, you need to get a GoPro.
What should I get, a Hero 9 or 360?
I would say get more than a 9. Get a newer one.
What's the newest?
12 is the newest.
Oh, shoot. Okay.
Yeah, my 9's a little old. But I just got an ND filter for it, so I'm not really looking to change stuff around.
What's the ND filter?
It's basically sunglasses for the GoPro.
Oh, that's cool.
Makes it look better.
Okay.
Alright.
That's cool.
Time to go on our trip for the
battery?
GoPro MAX battery, yeah. You ready?
Yep. Okay, that's not even fair.
What do you mean?
I'm slow.
That was only second gear.
I'm in 6th gear.
That's alright. We're just gonna chill.
Yeah. No, I'm going 45 and my RPM's 5,500 right now.
Yeah, but you also have, what, 14,000 to play with?
It revs to 12.
Oh, really? Mine's at 11. That's where my red is.
Yeah, but get more CCs.
Hey, this is the first video of the motovlogging channel.
Yeah! Heck yeah!
First video. Just the ride to Best Buy before we go to Florida, where it'll actually get good with the 360 camera.
Florida, there's going to be some good videos, though, with the 360, and we're at the beach.
Grass.
Oh, come on.
Why? No! You know what? I'm going around. There's no cops here, I hope. But he's shirtless, dude. Okay.
Yeah, he's pimping.
Ah! Bug! No! That was a giant bug, too. Oh, no. Yuck. Nastiness. At least it didn't hit my arms. That would actually suck.
Yeah. Hey, my cousin's got a car edge too, so I think he's going to bring his car, though.
Nice.
I told him to. He says he hates it, but he said he'll bring it.
Why did...
Gosh, I saw that.
Did it bounce off?
Yeah, it bounced off and back towards me, but I didn't hit it.
Eee, that one hurt.
I'm pinned right now.
Dude, I launched in second.
I need a 600.
Dude, I saw it go from 55 to 60 in a quick second. See, I won't be able to do this if I get the ZX6R.
Yeah. It's okay. I can't do it on mine either.
Yeah, but I really like so I can relax my right hand.
I mean, I bet you could install cruise control for a couple grand.
But that's like the weird one where it will like hold your throttle, and that could be a problem.
Oh yeah, you don't want that.
Hello. They never waved back.
Gosh, I want that. Hey, there's your Civi right there. Hey, that thing's pretty clean.
Stop! No! It hit me twice. Why would you do that?
What happened?
A bug into me, went down, and hit me a second time.
Oh.
Dude, I'm gonna have to start talking. Yeah, bugs today are pretty killer.
I think you're taking most of them because I haven't got too many, but on my way to work today, I got quite a few.
Yeah, I'm tanking them today.
What sucks is I had a wasp hit my neck and then go on my shirt, and I'm super allergic, and I was swollen for weeks. Darn trailer in front of us.
Yeah, but they seem to be going the speed limit.
Yeah, but not around the turns he won't.
Well, that's fine.
Wait, actually, he's flying. Holy crap.
Yeah, he may be picking it up.
Bro's taking off. Wow.
He's got no one in the back, so he's zooming. There's nothing back there, I don't think.
Okay, I hope not.
Oh, butterfly. Stop.
Oh, butterfly.
Did it get you?
No, it was close, though. Oh, I hit a bird. Yesterday, I was driving home from food last night. That's a cop. I was driving home from food, and a bird hit my foot and died. It was down 59. It was by the bridge, and the bird just hit it and bounced off and laid on the ground.
A bird hit your foot? That's wild.
I don't know what kind of bird. It was a little one, but...
What is that? I don't think, he might have a load. I'm not sure. He's just going slow.
Yeah, it looks like a work truck, so he's probably just... I don't know.
The Chevy's got nothing in the trunk. No trailer.
I mean, the truck with the trailer was going way faster than him.
Oh, no, he was going 60.
With the trailer? I know, he was booking it.
Oh, wait, there is someone in the back. Is that cow?
Oh, it's a cow. It's a cow.
Cow?
It's a cow.
Oh, baby cow.
Poor thing. It's standing really nice for in the back of a trailer.
I mean, yeah, I don't think he's moved.
Pretty impressive.
Hello, little cow. Cow. Cow, look at me. All right, this is absurd.
Okay, what are we doing? Oh, he's turning. Yeah,
okay.
he's turning.
Goodbye, cow.
No blinkers, crazy though.
Goodbye, cow. All right, see you later. Still doesn't answer our question of why the white truck is going so slow.
I don't know, but he's ahead now. So I guess it doesn't matter, but we'll catch up.
I don't know if I want that ZX6R because this cruise control is going to save me. It's so tired.
Well, I mean, it is kind of nice. I would get a ZX6R. I want a ZX6R or R6 so bad.
Dude, the anniversary is pulling me because that paint is so unique.
This dude's going like 45.
Yeah. He doesn't know what's going on. He's in
a new truck. Well, it's a new truck. Look at that.
Yeah. Oh,
it's probably an old guy.
Yeah, it is a new truck. Yeah, I mean, he's going faster than 45. That's what I set my cruise at.
I guess that's true.
Dude, yeah, I don't know. I may buy that clip for the throttle if I got the ZX6R just to use every once in a while.
Yeah.
Because it's saving me on long trips. Like the 4-hour ride to Little Rock. Ooh.
Hey, but yours is probably real comfy on that. That's the ZX6R. Like my cousin tomorrow is gonna ride 9 hours from Nebraska on his ZX6R, and it's gonna hurt.
Yeah, I don't know. I like the comfort of this.
Yeah, it's kind of nice. I want a 600, like a ZX6R R6 while I can, and then when I get older and take longer trips, then I'm gonna get a touring bike like yours.
This is a dad bike.
Hey, it's a good bike though.
It's a great bike. It's just a dad bike, so it's not going to be as aggressive on the corners.
Well, dads have bad backs. That's what it is.
The seat is comfy enough to be on for. I think I could be on it for 6 hours. I'm not sure if I can go much more without being uncomfortable.
I mean, my butt hurts right now on this thing, but I'm also tall, so I'm sitting on half the seat right now.
Here's your camera time. All right. Oh, what is that? Rivian!
It's a Rivian. It's electric. It's gay.
My arms are going to get warm. Look at that. Look at that tin.
Hey, it's probably getting thinner out here. I mean, it's hot.
Yeah. Oh, we good? No. Oh, we are. Go, 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 go. Don't worry about him. He's turning right.
Hey, good job, buddy, for waiting.
I've had a bad, okay, I've had like 1 or 2 bad interactions. Nothing terrible though.
I had a bad one yesterday.
Really?
Yeah, someone cut me off and then like, they apologized, but I was like, really, dude?
I was cut off on the way to church, but...
Yeah. I mean, it's fine. I just pulled up next to the guy and he apologized and I was like, okay.
Oh, you pulled up next to him?
Well, I was turning and he was going the other way, so.
You think the Jeep will wave at me?
Nah, that's a mom. She's not gonna wave.
No attention. Aww.
Nothing.
No one's gonna wave. Hey.
Okay, screen.
You can see Best Buy from here. It's over there. Hey, Jeep,
Where?
you passed the line.
Where's Best Buy?
You see it over there?
I see the sign, yeah.
Okay, we're turning to the left. Try and get in the... Oh, come on. We got to get there before the green goes away.
Hey, get in this lane. Get in the second lane.
Why?
Because it's the one that we need to be in.
No, we're turning left.
Yep.
What I'm in currently?
Shouldn't we be in the other lane? Oh, it's right there, I see.
No, it's a left and then a left.
Okay, I see.
Are we turning right here? I think so.
Yeah, turn right here.
Oh, Best Buy, I can smell you. I smell the technology.
Can we park, like, up front on the curb?
No. Psychopath. We'll park right here.
I see people doing that.
Park right here.
Okay.
Hey. Back off.
She could pop. It sounds like she wants to.
No. I need an exhaust for that. All right.
Started.
Well, no look at Best Buy. No max battery.
I'm gonna check my maps real quick and make sure I have it right.
I'll follow you since you know where you're going.
All right.
I don't. All right, buddy.
Hey, does this mean I get footage time now too?
Oh yeah. I'm behind you now, so you get all the footage time.
All right.
You can see how you're riding. I can follow you on the way back.
Okay, we can do that.
Fine. My clutch is nice. I can go through it. I can also stay in first gear.
Can you actually? I was in third.
I can go 55 in first. Yes, I can stay this.
I can go like 20 in first.
I can go first gear the whole way here. My transmission wouldn't probably be happy with me, but I could.
That's crazy. Hey, BMW S1000 will do, what is it, 113 in first? Come on, it's hot. It's hot.
That is true. Get away! My bike's heavier than yours.
What'd you do?
I hit into first!
Are you leading now?
No, get in front of me! Pass
No,
me!
turn.
What is your problem?
You went in front of me.
You could get ahead of me!
You forget I drive a little 300.
I know for a fact that you can pick up from 10 to 30 quickly.
Oh, very quickly.
Oh, wait, don't worry about me. I don't know where I'm going.
Go closer.
Are there motorcycle parking spots here? No?
No.
Only in
No.
Bentonville?
I've never seen parking spots for motorcycles.
Dude, in Bentonville, it's so nice. What? Why are we stopping? Stop. All right, fine. Hello. Wave. No one waves.
Hey, right there.
Yeah, boy.
Oh,
Yeah,
right
boy.
up front.
Yeah. We small. We can park in this spot. This technically,
Yeah.
you could call it a parking
Huh?
spot.
You're cutting out.
You could call it a motorcycle parking spot if you want. All right. Well, hopefully we're successful in this.
Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed.